Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. So this is the Microsoft Surface One. Should you get one? Well, it depends. I got mine for $500. It's unlocked and it's the 256GB variant. It also came with an extra case. If you get one with similar price, should you get it? Well, before you grab one, here is what you should know about this device. Like any premium flagship, it's glass on front and back. Although this dual screen has all glass built, the hinge is classic Surface, which is to say it's designed to feel great. It rotates full 360 degrees. There should be a reason of getting one. It's a productivity tool that can make phone calls. Speaking of productivity, the Surface Duo dual screen's main point is its functionality. When the device is open, you can have two full apps running side by side, or you can even extend apps across both screens. This is an amazing feature to have, and I used it most of the times. Not all the times. Here is why. I almost fell in love with this device, but the 3577 mAh battery wasn't really enough for me. I couldn't get through the day, especially when it was my main phone. I guess I was using the phone heavily, but I don't play any games on my phone or stream that much. Anyway, battery life was one of the reasons I had to switch to another phone. Even though it's been a year since its release, the software is still buggy and not up to date yet. I think this will be an amazing tool if the software was in place. I know Microsoft is trying really hard to fix this, but I don't think it's their priority anymore since the Duo 2 was already released. I'm not here to criticize Surface Duo. I know this is a productivity tool first, and the rest is bonus, but the camera is really below the bar. I wish Microsoft could at least try to include decent cameras, but man, that's not the case here. Anyway, to sum up, I like this device a lot, although it wasn't perfect. If you can live with the subpar camera, average battery life, and you don't mind buggy softwares, then by all means get one. Otherwise, just stay away from this device unless you need a productivity phone. Well, for now that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.